In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the call display while using an app on your Samsung device. Sometimes, when you receive a phone call while using an app, the incoming call takes up the entire screen and disrupts your activities. But don't worry. By following a few easy steps, you can change the call display settings on your phone. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. Once you are on the call settings page, you'll see an option called Call Display while using apps. Just tap on it. Control how incoming calls appear when you're using other apps. As you can see, right now, this is set to full screen. If you don't want incoming calls to take up the entire screen, you can select one of these options: Small Pop-up or Mini Pop-up. So now, when you get an incoming call, it won't take up the entire screen. Instead, it will be displayed in a little pop-up, and you can either answer that call or decline it. You can also toggle on this switch if you want to keep calls in pop-up mode even after calls are answered. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.